નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Standard 8, Subject Science, Chapter 7, Conservation of Plants and Animals. So this is the revision video, dear students. Conservation means what? Preserving or protecting. So better word is preserving of plants and animals. So this is the conservation of plants and animals meanings. Now you see here a great variety of plants and animals existing on the earth. These are all born existing on the earth. They are essential, they are so essential for the well-being and as well as survival of the mankind. They are so essential for the well-being and as well as survival of the mankind. And okay, here, what is given the major here? See that today is the major threatening to survival of these organisms. Nowadays, this is due to the population, overpopulation. India is, that growing populations day by day. So due to this, what happens? They are deforestation. See, deforestation means what? This is the major one. The clearing of the forest. Clearing means cutting of the forest and using that land for other purpose. For other purpose means for agriculture or for the construction, for ground, playground. So like this, for many other human activities, nowadays they are using forest. So they are going for clearing the forest. So that is we are calling deforestation. So this deforestation, what happens, you see, trees are in the forests are cut for some other purpose, like here given some of the methods, steps. Procuring land for cultivation. Procuring means what? Procuring means to obtain the land for cultivation or using the land for cultivation, building houses and factories, making furniture, or using the wood as a fuel. So for this purpose, the deforestation. Okay. So due to the deforestation, what happens if consequences given? CONSEQUENCES. Consequences means what? The influence of the deforestation. What will happen due to the deforestation? That increases temperature and pollution level on the earth. So due to this, what will happen, dear students? Not only that clearing the land like this not, but also it affects in other ways also. See what happens, you see the temperature, pollution level. So these are all increases and increases in the level of carbon dioxide. So ultimately it leads to the greenhouse. What you are saying? Global warming. Ground level, water level also will be gets lower. So they know that deforestation disturbs the balance in the nature. So ultimately what you are saying? They will disturb the balance in the nature. Okay, then rainfall and the fertility of the soil will decrease us. So moreover, there will be increased chances of natural calamities. Calamities means disasters like floods and droughts. So these are the dangerous aspects will be created. Now dear students, now we'll see that what do you mean by desertification. Desertification means what? So it is the process by which fertile land loses fertility. Fertile land, the good land loses fertility and get converted into deserts. That is slowly converted into desert. So that is called as desertification. See what happens, you see, removal of the that soil erosion. Trees prevent the soil erosion. So if they will go for deforestation, that the removal of the top layer of the soil exposes to the lower and humus and also will become less fertile. Okay. Due to the soil has less humus and less fertile. So gradually the fertile land gets converted into deserts. So this is called as desertification. Okay. FICATR, desertification. Now the next one is conservation of forest and wildlife. See, you know that here biosphere and biosphere reserves. Biosphere is small. See, is the part of the earth in which living organisms exist or which supports the life. Sometimes asking the question, what do you mean by biosphere? Biosphere is the part of the earth in which living organisms existing as well as supporting the life. So biological diversity or biodiversity. See, biological diversity or here biodiversity is given. All the living organisms and ecosystem are together referred to as biodiversity. See, this biodiversity, biological diversity, or you are saying biodiversity, refers to the variety of organisms existing on the earth. See, variety of organisms existing on the earth, so that is called as biodiversity. So, biosphere means the part of the earth in which living organisms exist or which support the life. See, both the definitions are so important. Now, you know that all the plants and animals found in here are similar to those in the upper Himalayan peaks and those belonging to the lower Western Ghats. So, what will happen? You see, biological importance make them a part of our national heritage. To protect our flora and fauna. Flora means, what do you mean by flora and what do you mean by fauna? So all the plant species found in the particular habitat. So that is called as flora, flower. So they don't get confused on all the plant. So that's flower means here plant. All the plant species found in the particular habitat is called as flora, and all the animal species found in the particular habitat is called as fauna. Okay. Here, to protect our flora and fauna, to protect our plants and animals, their habitats, the protected areas are called wildlife sanctuaries. So, what do you mean by wildlife sanctuaries? To protect the flora and as well as fauna, their habitats, the protected areas are called as wildlife sanctuaries. National parks, biosphere reserves have been earmarked is set aside of these areas. See, plantation, cultivation, grazing, felling trees, hunting, and poaching. Poaching means for the entertainment purpose, animals are catching, and these are all strictly prohibited here. Okay. Now, wildlife sanctuary definition you see, areas where animals are protected. See, wildlife sanctuary means what? Areas where animals are protected from any disturbance to them and their habitat. Their habitat means their homes or their living. So that is called as wildlife sanctuaries. And national park means what? What do you mean by national park? So areas reserved for wildlife where they can freely use the habitats and natural resources. So they can freely wander. So that is a national park. And biosphere reserve means what? Biosphere reserve means are the areas made for the conservation of biodiversity. So large areas are protected here for the land. See, large areas are protected land for conservation of wildlife, for the plant and animal resources, and as well as traditional life of the tribals living in those areas. So this is a biosphere reserve. And this biosphere reserve, you see, are the areas made for the conservation of biodiversity. Biosphere areas, reserves are the areas meant for the conservation of biodiversity. Okay. See here, next more important is, you know that all the plants, animals and microorganisms generally found in these areas. The biosphere reserves help to maintain the biodiversity and as well as culture that of the area. The Pachamarchi Biosphere Reserve consists of one national park and Satpura and two wildlife sanctuaries named Bori and Pachamarchi. See, try to understand here. The Pachamarchi Biosphere Reserve consists of one national park named Satpura and two wildlife sanctuaries named Bori and Pachamarchi. Okay. Now you see about the flora and fauna. So you know that the flora and fauna, partly you have studied the definition. The plants and animals are in the particular areas. The plants and animals are found in the particular areas. They are termed as, they are called as flora and fauna respectively of that areas. Okay, so this is about the flora and fauna. Now you also know that in the here given many of the biodiversity, Pachamarchi biosphere reserve is given. Sal, teak, mango, jamu, silver fern, sarjun. So these are all the category of the flora, are examples of the flora. And chinkara, blue ball, barking deer, chital, leopard. So these are all the examples of fauna of the Pachamarchi biosphere. Okay, dear students. So these are all today's important definitions and important remembering points we are given. Now just I will revise all this. So what you have learned. So these are deforestation, felling of trees or cutting of the area, what you have seen, clearing of the forests and using for other purpose. So that is called as deforestation. And desertification means that it is the process by which fertile land loses the fertility and gets converted into what you are saying, deserts. So that is called as desertification. And biodiversity means what? All the living organisms of an ecosystem are together referred to as biodiversity. See what is given here? Ecosystem, biodiversity means all the living organisms of the ecosystems are togetherly referred to as biodiversity. What is it? Referred to as biodiversity. Okay. So this is biodiversity. So this is about the important definition of biodiversity. Okay, dear students. So next one is flora and fauna. You learned. Flora means all the plant species found in the particular habitat. So that is called as flora. And fauna also you studied what all the plants species. See, fauna means animals. Flora means plant. So fauna, all the animal species found in the particular habitat are called fauna. Okay, now another important definition is what do you mean by ecosystem? Ecosystem means what? Ecosystem is an interactive system. Interactive means or acting on one another. So what this is? See, ecosystem means interactive system. It is an interactive system in which all the biotic means living, all the biotic and abiotic means non-living. See, all the biotic and abiotic components interact, means I told act on one another as well as with the environment. So this is called as ecosystem. Okay, got the idea, students? So these are all today's important points of these lessons. Okay, and these are all the points you have to go through it and you have to remember and note down in your notebooks also. And we'll meet in the next video. So we'll discuss about endemic species means what. Okay, then what is species? Then what about wildlife sanctuary? And what is it? So they read data book. So these are all we'll discuss. And migration. Okay. See you. Bye bye.
Thank you for joining us.